Welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy. This is Shashikant Badak, and today we're going to discuss about 10th State Board chapter number 2, location and extent. So let's start. Introduction. Few hints and the flag of two countries are given here. Using them, identify these two countries. You can easily identify one of them and hope you can easily identify the other two. So here are few clues for you. Clues number 1, here you can see the student this picture, and it is the largest populated country in the world. Second number, clue number 2, famous for the species in the world. So this country is famous for the species in the world. Clue number 3, cricket is a popular sport here, and yes, you have got it right. It's our country India flag. So let's move to the next flag. Let's have a look at another flag. Here are few clues for you to identify it. It is famous for Samba dance. It is known as the coffee pot of the world. Football is a very popular sport here. And again, yes, you have guessed it right. It's the flag of Brazil. So let's students, we'll going to see more details about the both countries. So first of all, we'll going to see more about our country India. So students, see the name of the country Republic India. Okay. Then the name of the capital New Delhi. Our capital, here is the New Delhi. Here is the location of our country. 1 minute, let me change the color. Okay. Then next, here location, extent and the boundaries of our country India. India is located in the northern and the eastern hemisphere of the world. So India is located in the northern hemisphere. See student, here is the 0 degree latitude. It is known as, here is the 0 degree latitude. It is known as the equator. Here you can see it's a equator, and due to this equator the earth divided into two parts. Here is the north hemisphere, and whereas here is the south hemisphere. Okay, so you can see India entirely lies in the north hemisphere. Then see, it is also lies in the eastern hemisphere. So again, once again you can see student, these vertical lines or the longitude, 0 degree longitude, it is also known as the main meridian. So due to this vertical line or due to this longitude, our earth again divided into two hemisphere. Here you can see, here is the east hemisphere, whereas here is the west hemisphere. So India entirely lies in the eastern hemisphere. So India is located in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere of the earth. Okay. Then see, it is located in the southern part of the Asia continent. So as per the continent, if we are going to see the location of India, so here is the Asia continent, and our India, our country, lies in the southern part. So here you can see our country, here it lies in the southern parts of Asia continents. Okay, let's move to the next point. See student, fill in the degrees value in the degree in the blank space. So dash degree 4 minute north to dash degree 6 minute north latitude. So first we will going to see the extent latitudinal extent of our country India. So here you can see students latitudinal extent at the northern direction 8 degree and 4 minutes, means here is the our southern tip. So it's here is the 8, so we have to write here 8 degree 4 minute north to. Okay, तो यहाँ से we can count here. So here is our northern boundary. It's 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, means our India's latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. So here we have to write 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Okay, let's see the longitudinal extent. So our India lies, lately we have seen the India lies in eastern hemisphere, so we'll going to calculate from east to east. So here you can see 68 degree 7 minute east, means here we have to write 68 degree 7 minute east and to 97 degree. Here you can see the 97 degree 25 minutes. So we have to write here 97 degree 25 minute east. Why east? Why east to east? Because India lies in eastern hemisphere. And here why north to north? Because India lies in the north hemisphere too. Okay, let's move to the next point. Here student, you can see the Indira point. Here Indira point, here is the, our last say India point here. Here you can see, here is our Indira point, southernmost tip of India. It is located on the 6 degree 45 minute north. So here is the 8 degree, means the mainland extent here you can see, and if we consider here is the Andaman and Nicobar, so here is the southern tip of India, that is Indira point. So here you have to see the 6 degree and 45 minute north parallel. Okay, let's move to the next point. Make a friends with map. So observe the map and identify the countries and water bodies around the India. Complete the table. So here you can see the direction and the neighboring countries, sea and ocean. So first we will going to see the direction east. Okay, so at the east you can see student Myanmar is here, then followed by Bangladesh lies to the eastern direction of India, and as well as the we see Bay of Bengal. You can see the Bay of Bengal is also lies to the eastern direction of India. Okay, now let's move to the north direction. So at the north, here you can see our neighboring country China, then Nepal, and here is the Bhutan. So these country lies to the north direction of our India. Then we'll move to the next direction, west. So at the west you can see here is the Afghanistan lies in the west direction, then the Pakistan is also lies to the western direction, and even the Arabian Ocean also lies to the western direction of our country. Now the south direction. So at the south, here you can see the Sri Lanka lies to the southern direction, as well as the here you can see the Indian Ocean. Here is the Indian Ocean. Okay, so hope student you understood the location and extent of our country India. In the next video we will going to see more about the Brazil. So till then, thank you very much.